Not every line needs maximum speed. Not every product needs 5 lines of code. But every company needs is reliability. You run a small or mid-sized business. Maybe you pack seasonally. Then this is for you. Meet the JET2 NEO, our all-rounder for standard applications. Easy to use, fast enough for many needs with up to 268 meters per minute. 3 lines of code, high print quality and packed with Leibinger DNA. Dust-proof, durable and yes, affordable. Because even our entry-level models come with made in Germany quality and the legendary nozzle sealing technology that keeps the ink fresh and the printhead clean. And if you are just getting started, there's JET1 NEO, our most accessible printer. Simple, straightforward, zero stress. Plug it in, start printing, and that's it. Built to last, made for real life, and priced to keep your business moving.